Today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to be doing something kind of fun called Pigs in a Blanket. So here we go. Okay, I've got these uncured Angus beef hot dogs. They're totally cooked. So I'm gonna rinse some off real quick. Even though they're uncured, I still want to get some of the cooties off. Okay. I'm going to dry those off real quick. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we are going to cut them down the middle, not all the way through. Okay. My mom used to make these for us, and I loved them. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to set those off to the side. And I am going to open up my Crescent sheets here. And this is supposed to be very easy to open. Okay, I guess it was. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide these into 4. So let's see what we got here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this into 4, like that. And then I'm going to take the hot dog kind of on an angle, and I'm going to fill them with some cheese, like so. And then I'm going to roll it up just like that. Try to make them as pretty as you can. And then I think I'm gonna spray stick my pan a little bit here so they don't stick to it. And I'm gonna do that 4 more times here. This is a sheet of Crescent rolls. And if the cheese drops out, that's okay, because it's all gonna melt and be super yummy. And then I'm going to put these in a 375 oven for probably 15 to 20 minutes, something like that. The Crescent rolls said 375, so so yummy. Some ketchup and mustard. Ooh. Just kind of wrap them up as pretty as you can. There we go. Try to separate them. So I'm going to be putting these in a 375 oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll show you what we got. They're coming out of the oven. Look at how yummy those look. And this is a quick and easy lunch. And look at that. Look at how yummy that looks. And let me cut it and show you what it's going to look like. Look at the cheese. It's all yummy and oh my gosh. What an easy lunch. So I hope you enjoyed my little 3-ingredient pigs in a blanket. That was 20 minutes on $3.75. And super easy. Throw the aluminum foil away. Lunch is cleaned up. So I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Thanks for watching. Bye now.